Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Well, it's time to get in the spirit of Christmas here, and you can bring your children to your Google Home or your Smart Display device and actually let them talk to Santa. Let me show you how that goes. Now, the first thing to know about this functionality is it's going to be limited to a little time frame here. It's going to be limited to some countries. So just be aware it might not work in your country. Maybe go ahead, test this out before you go ahead and use it. The other thing to be aware of is you can do this on your phone, and it actually feels a little realistic there to a child when you say, hey, let's go call Santa. I kind of tried that out myself here. The other thing is a Smart Display really pushes this forward in terms of an experience for your child. So let's go ahead and start that up, and I'm going to start it here on a Lenovo Smart Display. It'll work here. You can talk to Santa here on a Google Home or a Google Home Mini as well. So the Google Hub, the whole suite of products it will work on, but I'm going to use the Lenovo Smart Display here just so you can see it the best. Can I call Santa?
Thank you for calling the North Pole. Please hold.
Hey Santa, phone call.
What? Oh, ho, 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 it's you! I just finished up a nice list and you kind of caught me in a jam session with my elves. So I have a few questions for you. What's a better type of horn? An air horn or a kazoo?
Now, you can actually answer Santa directly, but there are buttons down here that your child can use to actually answer if they don't want to speak to Santa. I actually found my child a little bit shy of this experience because it was so direct and it was so quick and it kind of in his face. So, you can actually use these buttons.
Okay, sure. Sometimes I need one of those to wake up the elves.
Now, you can walk through the entire process. Santa asks you basically at the end of a song that he plays. That's a little different than your average Christmas carol, but Santa will walk you through that song and your child through that song. And then basically he'll ask you if you want to go through the whole thing again. And once you say no, you hang up, similar to the start of the process. So, overall, I think this is a nice little feature for you. And again, if you're using an iPhone, it kind of brings a little realism to the situation, right? They're sitting there talking to Santa on the phone and you can hold it for them if you'd like. So, but I also love this little interface here, and it's obviously showing that Google is paying attention, building a little bit of software and special functionality themselves for these devices as we go through special events like the holiday season here. So I hope, guys, this helps you with your family just for a few minutes there, and you go ahead, try this out with a little one in your home. So thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.